Today, instead of a word problem of the day, I'm going to show you how you can study your multiplication facts. Instead of you can do flashcards. There are lots of apps that you can use with on your iPad or other device. But sometimes just practicing the skip counting is the easiest. So start with your twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. And then after you go all the way from, this would be 2 times 1, all the way to 2 times 9, then you can practice putting it in your tic-tac-toe. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. And just keep going 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. And go to your threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So you'd go from 3 times 1 to 3 times 9 and do the same thing. Put in your tic-tac-toe. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 20, 18, 21, 24, 27. And do that all the way down to your nines. And then it's always really good to use physical movement. So what you could do is you could go outside and get some chalk and create like a little hopscotch and put each of these numbers in a hopscotch. And when you jump on it, you say it. Like if you want to do with your fours, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, like all the way to 4 times 9. So when you're outside through your hopscotch, you can just jump and say the numbers. You could also use a jump rope. My kids really enjoy jump rope. And then every time that you jump, you say, you skip count one of your numbers with the jump rope. You could try to hop on one leg and count by twos, and then switch and hop on the other leg, count by threes, switch back to the right leg, count by fours, and so forth. So when you can put some kind of physical movement into your learning, it really helps the information sink into the brain. Students are very hands-on learners, and they like to use physical movement. So think about any kind of physical activity that you could use. Like I said, hopscotch, shooting basketballs, or when you just have the basketball and you throw the basketball from one person to the other. Like you say 3 and you throw it to them, and then they say 6, they throw it back to you. You say 9, you throw it back to them. So think about and just be creative with any kind of physical movement with sports, chalk, jump rope, hopping, anything like that. That you could think of to make studying your multiplication facts fun and easy. But if you can skip count and get that pattern and know how to put it in a tic-tac-toe, then it'll be really easy to do your multiplication later on. But this is a really good start right here. Thank you guys, and have fun.